Sir, malabo na yung mata mo pero mas malabong maging kayo. Aray ko!
Looking for affordable pero quality na eyewear? Tara dito sa SK Shop Optical Eyewear dito sa Baclaran. Located nga pala sila sa Iguara Street, Rojas Boulevard, Baclaran, Parañaque City. Malapit lang sila sa Max Restaurant at along Baclaran Church. Open sila from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Every frame na bibili mo mga katrupa, siguradong worth it every peso kasi ang focus nila ay budget na need mo. Para sa tamang check-up, trupa, license ang kanilang optometrist dito. Trupa, cashless transaction pwede dito at wala kang problema. Ina-accept nila Mastercard at Visa card. At syempre, trupa, Easilor at Hoya accredited sila at FDA approved pa. At trupa, meron silang extra service na ino-offer. Meron sila ditong ambermatic lenses, anti-radiation, photochromic anti-radiation, anti-blue light, at photochromic anti-blue light. At trupa, meron din silang ibang branches at anytime na pwede kang dumaan sa kanilang Carriedo branch, Recto branch at Santa Cruz branch. At open araw-araw. So, kung hanap mo ay quality eyeglasses, eyewear at eye frames na swak sa budget, tara na trupa at puntahan ng SK Optical dahil dito where everything is more than meets the eye. So hanggang 1 minuto lang ito mga katrupa. Tara.